Hi, hello, namaskara. In this video, I will tell some important questions which may ask in upcoming bank interviews. This is part 2 video. In part 1 video, I have shared some questions and preparation tips. Those who have not watched that video, kindly go through once before your interview date. The part 1 video link is available in description box. So now we will start this video. Interviewer may ask, what do you know about lead bank? For that your answer is like, lead bank is a bank which act as a leader in their region for all credit institutions to increase their flow of credit to priority as well as non-priority sector. Region is based like district, like for one district one lead bank. That bank may be SBI, Canada, BOB, PNB, any PSU. What is financial inclusion? Or what do you understand about financial inclusion? And what are the measures have been taken by government as well as bank in this regard? Financial inclusion means individual or a business entity have access at affordable financial product and services like transaction, savings, credit, insurance, or any other social security scheme. For measures, you can include BSBD accounts, OD facility, PMJJBY, PMSBY, APY, PMJDY, etc. Next question is, why should we select you as against many others who are waiting outside? For this question, you have to mention your strength and how special you are from other, and what and all work you can do for bank, like increasing deposit and advances, recovery of bad debts or cross-selling products, or helping in mobilization of government social security scheme, etc. What do you know about EMI? EMI, it's equated monthly installment, which includes principal and interest amount that borrower has to pay on every month. What is Bhumi project by state government? Your answer is like, Bhumi project is launched in the year of 2000 in Karnataka state. It is jointly funded by Government of India and Government of Karnataka. Here one can get all land records in a digital format to prevent corruption and manipulation of data. MICR. What is MICR? A magnetic ink character recognition. Full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. This is a unique 9-digit code to identify a bank and branch, which is helpful for ECS. ECS means electronic credit system. So which is helpful for ECS credit scheme. Every bank branch has a different MICR code. Who is willful defaulter? The word only says that willful. That means a borrower defaults on their repayment obligation even though the borrower has the capacity to repay the loan. Here, there is a deliberate intention on non-payment. So, he is intentionally not paying the liabilities of his. Difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy. Both fiscal and monetary policy is used to regulate economic activities. Monetary policy is like activities influencing quantity of money and credit in an economy. It is directed by Central Bank of India, that is RBI. In the same way, fiscal policy is the decision of government about taxation and spending. What is NPCI? National Payment Corporation of India is set up by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, for operating retail payment and settlement system. For this purpose only RBI set up this NPCI. RBI and its function. RBI is India's central bank and it's controlling monetary policy. Function is like issuing currency notes, sustaining monetary stability, maintaining credit system, bankers to the government, lenders of last resort, etc. They may ask some question regarding income tax slabs. So before go to interview, just go to the official income tax website and go through the all tax slabs and criterias. Question may ask regarding senior citizen and super senior citizen. Senior citizen whose age is above 60 years and less than 80, and super senior is above 80 years of age. What do you know about TDS and how do we use in a bank? So TDS is tax deductible at source. That means collecting tax on income in bank, we are paying interest on deposit. Andre, that means bank people are paying interest on deposit. So if it is cross the limit like 40k for general, 40,000 for general and 50,000 for senior citizen, if it is increase that limit, the bank will deduct 10% on income as TDS. Later on they can claim, or well before they can give 15GH form for not to deduct tax. 15G for normal citizen and 15H for senior citizen. This 15GH statement says that apart from this interest income, I don't have any other income source. So this income comes under zero tax slab. So don't deduct TDS on income. You should say like that. You can also use this statement for what is 15GH form and when it will be used. And question can also ask from Niti Ayog. It's related. Questions related to small finance bank, what it is, how it works, name some small finance bank. These kind of questions they may ask. And also question related to cooperative banks. Can RRBs open its branch in cities? Yeah, RRB can open its branch in Tier 1 to Tier 6 centers as per RBI guidelines. In rural areas, there is a concept called SHG and JLG. So what do you know about this? In SHG, the group size is 10 to 20 members and the main objective is savings. In the same way, JLG, that is Joint Liability Group, contains 4 to 10 members and their main purpose is to avail loan from bank. Full form of SHG is Self-Help Group. What is perishable goods? This is one of the question which asked by an interviewer to me in RRB interviews. So perishable goods is such kind of goods spoils within a short span of time, like vegetable, fruits, dairy products, meats, etc. What is inter-subvention? It is a scheme provides short-term credit facility to farmers at a subsidized interest rate. Government will provide 1% to 3% interest subvention for short-term credit facility. They may ask, what do you know about payment in due course? Then what is scheduled bank? Scheduled bank is a bank which comes under second schedule of RBI Act 1934. What is ownership proportion in RRBs? Government of India has 50% of share and sponsor bank is 35% and the respective state government has 15% share. So know about the names of RRB which is in your state and their sponsor bank. Every state has different RRBs, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is public sector bank? Public sector bank, that is PSB, is a government owned bank and more than 50% of the bank share held by government. If you like this video means, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the very best for upcoming interviews.